Okay. Actually, I'm in Nigeria,
Okay.
so I'm thinking if is it actually possible to use my debit card to purchase a kind of shop online or buy cryptocurrency.
So you're in Nigeria, and your question is, how can I buy cryptocurrency from over there?
Yeah, with a Nigeria debit card.
Yeah. So is it a Visa card, MasterCard?
It's a Mastercard.
Yeah. So most likely you just gotta find whatever application they're using, for example, in Nigeria, to basically buy cryptocurrency, whether it's through a broker or whether it's through an app or whether it's just through whatever is available over there. Who do you know
Okay.
in Nigeria that's involved with cryptocurrency?
I don't know. I'm actually new to it.
Yeah, so just find out who those people are, look it up on YouTube and so on. Now, let me ask you a question. Why do you want to get
Okay.
involved with cryptocurrency?
Um, I just want to, I think it's kind of a visionary stuff now. People are some of my friends, I have it, they are going into it, and I think I wanted to go into it
So
too.
you do know
And
people that are into cryptocurrency?
but they're not close to me. I saw it online, people talking about it, and I thought it's
Okay.
a
So let me
visionary
ask you a
stuff
question, right?
now.
How much money do you
Okay.
make per month?
I'm actually a student. I don't make much money.
Okay. So if you
Yeah.
don't make that much money, why would you
Yeah.
want to put your money at risk into something that you basically don't understand?
No, I actually want to make money. That was why I had the little money I had, so I had to,
Yeah.
to see if I
Yeah,
can.
but the thing is, if you put your money into something you don't understand, what you're gonna do is take this massive risk. It's called gambling, and if you lose that money, how are you gonna get that money back? Does that make sense?
No.
Yeah, exactly. So what I would recommend if you're a student and you're in school, use your money so you can basically graduate debt free and then start investing into things you actually understand and can back up.
Bum 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 ba ba da 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 ba da. You've got to stop.